In this video, we will show you how to use the stitch flow to adjust the direction of the stitches. Stitch flow is a special operating mode that is used to adjust the directions of stitches. When you start stitch flow, you need to first select an object if nothing is already selected. If you select the step object, when you are on top of the object, the mouse cursor is like holding a red dot. You can click and drag to draw a line that will define the direction of the stitches. Once you release the mouse, the direction is automatically applied. You can continue adding lines until you are satisfied. Step can only have one direction of stitches. Each new line replaces the previous. Using the dots on the edges of the line, you can also edit the line. And using the X that appears on the middle of the line, you can delete it and the default one is applied. For satin or piping objects, you need to click and drag from one side of the object to the other to define a direction line. Satin and piping objects can have multiple direction lines. So you can continue adding direction lines to create the flow of stitches you like. As already mentioned, using the dots on the edges of the line, you can edit the line. And using the X that appears on the middle of the line, you can delete it. Using directions on satin objects, you can manage the way that the stitches flow on the satin bar. This is very useful when you want to create text art designs and embroider the design in a specific way,